and uniqueness for the brand. Look at the beautiful and shiny orange spots like pearls in the middle of a beautiful natural picture. The oranges are round and succulent with rich orange color, creating an attractive and vibrant image. The flavor of kumquat is a delicate combination of sweet and sour, creating a fascinating culinary experience along with automation and high efficiency. The kumquat production line helps optimize the production process from harvesting to final packaging. The use of automatic horizontal packaging machines brings many obvious benefits. This machine has helped optimize the packaging process, thereby enhancing production efficiency and product quality. The ability of fruit packaging machines to preserve. Quality is undeniable. By ensuring the packaging process is done carefully and safely, the machine helps protect the product from damage and keeps the fruit fresh and delicious. The fruit and vegetable classification system combined with packaging machines and labeling technology is not only a great step forward but also a comprehensive and effective solution for businesses in the food processing industry. One of the great advantages of stretch film machines is high automation, helping to save time and labor. This brings not only economic benefits but also enhances product packaging performance and quality. A P-Service potato cutting net tractor has proven its effectiveness and reliability in the food processing industry. The strength of this machine is its high flexibility, allowing the size and thickness of potato slices to be adjusted according to the specific requirements. The CC2 original chicken cutting equipment is a great assistant in handling beef bones and difficult tasks related to meat processing. With a simple but effective design, CC2 not only saves time and effort, but also ensures accuracy and uniformity during the cutting process. With tender meat, natural sweetness, and unique flavor, chicken brings a wonderful culinary experience to everyone. Whether cooked in a soup, stir-fried, grilled, steamed or fried, chicken always brings variety and richness to daily meals. Besides being a rich source of protein and low in fat, chicken also contains many vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for health. Let chicken make your meals more interesting and nutritious. With a variety of preparation methods and great flavor, chicken never disappoints. Imagine you are the one using a sharp blade cutting those tough pieces of meat. Do you feel excited? That image is full of strength and flexibility, a symbol of professionalism and class in the art of cooking. Every time the blade operates is a symbol of skill and sophistication, making each piece of meat delicate and even. The sharpness of the blade not only highlights the natural flavor of the meat, but also making every meal more luxurious and classy than ever. Let this image make you feel more satisfied and enjoyable at every meal. It is definitely an indelible image in your mind. With its strong and graceful appearance, the blue shark is often considered the god of the ocean, a symbol of strength and sophistication in the deep-sea world. The carousel undulating under the sharp gaze of the blue shark creates a unique picture evoking a feeling of fusion between wild power and industrial human presence. This image is more than just part of everyday life in the marine fish industry, but also a symbol of natural strength and beauty. It reminds us of the wonder and diversity of our planet and the power and wonder of the ocean. With advanced technology and automatic features, CC2Age not only enhances productivity but also ensures precision and uniformity in the cutting process. The CC2Age flexible movements allow it to quickly and accurately process each part of the pork, from the belly to the shoulder and wings, without damaging or creating unevenness. The image of each pig bone moving on a conveyor belt is a powerful and impressive sight.
And we're gonna let it